Hey everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we have with us old non-working JioFi 4-person hotspot. As you are watching kTechDestruction, let's see what do we get to find inside this JioFi 4-person hotspot. Let's begin. Here we have the perfect tool and now let's begin. Let's see what do we find inside it. As we do in our all videos, let's keep the battery aside. These are just 4 screws.
This is just a warranty sticker.
So we have now managed to get all the screws out from here. Now let's see where do we exactly need to go to open this. As you can see, I just damaged the USB port in the process of trying to find what do I exactly find in the device. These buttons just popped out from the inside. As you now can see, I finally made my way into this JioFi. So this exactly is the circuit board where exactly everything happens. Just look it closely. All semiconductor and stuff. This is the USB port which got destroyed in the process. Maybe this could be the battery which was required to charge it. Yes, this is definitely the battery which was required to charge the JioFi. So that's it for this video. In this video we saw what exactly do we find inside JioFi. After trying to find a way to get into this is what is the end result. So thank you so much for watching this video. Follow on Instagram, follow on Facebook, follow on Snapchat, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and see you in the next one. Thank you. This is not the battery, my bad. This is the battery. I don't know what exactly is the use of this. I just made a really very big mistake. This is not a battery. This is the battery.